Hello dears, today we are going to answer questions related to percentage. Booklet page 42. Meaning of percentage. The percentage is a ratio in which the second term is 100. Notice 100% of a quantity denotes the whole quantity. We still in page 42. Number 1. Convert each of the following percentages to a common fraction in its simplest form. To convert from percentage to fraction or decimal, all we need to do is to divide by 100. So, number 1, 25%. 25 divided 100 on your calculator, the result will be 1/4. This is in the form of fraction. If we want it in the decimal form, all we need to do is to press SD on your calculators. The result will be 0.25. Number 2, 75%. So 75 divided 100 equals 3/4 or 0.75. Number 3, 32%. So 32 divided 100 equal 8/25. The calculator will give you the answer in its simplest form. If I want to convert it into decimal, just press SD. So it will be 0.32. Number 4, 12.5%. On the calculator, 12.5 divided 100 equals 1/8 in its simplest form, or 0.125. Number 5, 1.5%. 1.5 divided 100 equals 3/200, or 0.015. Number 6, 2.4%. 2.4 divided 100 equals 3/125, or 0.024. Number 2, convert each of the following decimals to a percentage. Here is the opposite. We are going to convert from decimal or fraction to percentage, so we are going to multiply by 100. So number 1, 0.35. It will be 0.35 times 100 on your calculator. The result will be 35. Don't forget to put the percentage sign. Number 2, 0.08. So 0.08 times 100 equals 8%. Number 3, 0.5. 0.5 times 100 equals 50%. Number 4, 0.0375 times 100 equals 3.75%. Page 43. Number 3. Write each percentage as a fraction. A, 22%. We said that to convert from percentage to a fraction, we need to divide by 100. So 22 divided 100 equals 11/50. The calculator will give you the answer in its simplest form. Letter B, 37.5%. 37.5 divided 100 equals 3/8. Letter C, 3.5%. 3.5 divided 100 equals 7/200. Letter D, 2.1/8%. 2.1/8 divided 100 equals 17/800. Letter E, 99.9%. 99.9 divided 100 equals 999/1000. Letter F, 6.7%. 6.7 divided 100 equals 67/1000. Number 4. In a school trip, 13 pupils from 39 pupils in a class have participated. Find the percentage of the participant pupils. 13, this is the number of participant pupils. 39, this is the total number of the pupils. How can I find the percentage given the number and the total? Here we have a rule. This rule is the percentage of the participant equals number of participants over total number of the pupils times 100. So to find the percentage of anything given the number and the total, the rule will be number over total times 100 equals 13 over 39 times 100. On your calculators, the result will be 33.3%. Page 43, number 5. A school has 650 pupils. 13 pupils were absent on a certain day. Find the percentage of present pupils on that day. 650, this is the total. 13, this is the absent. I want to find the percentage of present. So, to find the percentage of the present, I must find the number of the present first. How can I find the number of the present given the total and the absent? To find the number of the present given the total number of the pupils and the number of the absent pupils, we are going to subtract. Number of the present pupils equal 650 minus 13. The total number of the pupils minus the number of the absent pupils equals 637 pupils. This is the number of the present pupils. Now I can find the percentage of the present pupils. The percentage of the present pupils equal number of the present pupils over total numbers times 100. As we said, number over total times 100, which is equal 637 over 650 times 100 equals 98%. Number 6. Minna bought a dress labeled on a small card on it made of cotton and synthetic. The percentage of the synthetic 30% only. Calculate the percentage of cotton, then find the equivalent fraction to each percentage. So, this dress made of cotton and synthetic. The percentage of synthetic 30% only. We want to calculate the percentage of cotton. The percentage of the two materials used for this dress is represented by 100%. So, to find the percentage of the cotton, we are going to make 100 minus 30. 30, this is the percentage of the synthetic, equals 70%. So, the percentage of cotton equals 70%. To find the equivalent fraction for this 70%, we are going to divide it by 100. So, the fraction of cotton equals 70 divided 100 equals 7 over 10. The fraction of synthetic equals 30 divided 100 equals 3 over 10. Page 44, number 7. If the percentage of the number of boys in a class which is mixed is 62%, find the percentage of the number of girls in this class. So, this 62%, this is what? This is the boys' percentage. We want to find the percentage of the number of girls. So, the percentage of the whole class represented by what? By 100%. To calculate the percentage of the number of girls, we are going to subtract. The percentage of girls equal 100 minus 62 equals 38%. Number 8. In a conditioned carriage in a train, the number of occupied seats is 24 seats. If the number of seats of the carriage is 60 seats, calculate the percentage of the occupied seats. So, this 24, this is the occupied seats, and the total is 60. How can I find the percentage of the occupied seats? With our rules, which is number over total times 100. The percentage of occupied seats equal number over total times 100 equals 24 over 60 times 100 equals 40%. We still in page 44. Number 9. A school has 200 pupils. 172 of them passed. Find the percentage of success in this school. 200, this is the total number of the pupils. 172, this is the number of the pupils who passed. We want to find the percentage of the success in this school. To find the percentage, we use our rule, which is number over total times 100. Number 172 over total, which is 200, times 100 equals 86%. Page 45. Applications on the percentage. First, we have profit. Whenever we have profit as a keyword in our question, we are going to solve using this form. CP to P to SP. CP, cost price. P, profit. SP, selling price. The signs on these names will be minus, minus, plus by order. And when we have loss as a keyword in our question, we are going to solve using this form. CP to L to SP. CP, cost price. L, loss. SP, selling price. The signs on these names will be plus, minus, minus by order. Cost price equal buying price. So whenever we have buying price given in our question, this is the cost price. Sometimes we have extra costs. These extra costs like maintenance, storage, transportation. These extra costs will be added to the buying price to have the cost price. So here, cost price equal buying price plus extra costs when we have it. Profit when the cost price is less than the selling price. Loss when the cost price is greater than the selling price. Page 45. Number 1. A merchant bought a car for LE 12,000. So this 12,000, this is the cost price. Buying price is the cost price. And sold it for LE 15,000. So this 15,000 is the selling price. Calculate the profit percentage. We need to know the profit percentage. Here we have our keyword, which is profit. So we are going to solve using our form, name, percentage, real, cost price, profit, selling price. The signs here should be minus, minus, plus by order. Dears, all the time the cost price percentage will be filled with 100. So all the time this space will be filled with what? 100. Now let's check the given. 12,000 should be put under cost price. Here we have it. 15,000 should be put under selling price. And we want to know profit percentage. So here we need to put our question mark. Now we have a completed column, but do we have a completed cross to find the profit percentage using cross multiplication? No, we don't. We need to fill this space. How can I complete this row? I'm going to complete this row using the signs which we have up. On this empty space, what do we have? We have minus. So we are going to subtract. Subtract what? The other two numbers which we have it in the same row, 15,000 and 12,000. So 15,000 minus 12,000 equals 3,000. Now we have a completed cross and we can use the cross multiplication to find the profit percentage. So profit percentage equal 3,000 times 100 over 12,000, which is equal 25%. Page 46. Number 2. A merchant bought an amount of beans for LE 1,200. So this is the cost price. Buying price is the cost price. And sold it for LE 14,880. This is the selling price. Find the profit percentage. We need to find the profit percentage, and here is our key word. We are going to solve using the form name, percentage, real, cost price, profit, selling price. The signs will be minus, minus, plus by order. All the time, the cost price percentage will be filled with 100. Let's check the given. 1,200 should be put under cost price. 14,880 should be put under selling price. We need to find the profit percentage, so here we have our question mark. We have a completed column, but we don't have a completed cross to use cross multiplication. To complete this row, we are going to use the signs which we have up. On this empty space, we have minus. So we are going to subtract the other two numbers which we have in the same row. 14,880 minus 1,200. The result will be 2,880. Now we have a completed cross. We can find the profit percentage. Profit percentage equal 2,880 times 100 over 1,200 equals 24%. Number 3. If the percentage profit of a TV set is 12.5%, so this is the profit percentage. Then find each of the cost and selling price knowing that the profit is LE 105. So this is our keyword, which is profit. We are going to solve using name percentage real, cost price to profit to selling price, minus plus. This space will be filled with 100. Now let's proceed. 12.5 should be put under profit percentage. Here it is. 105 should be put under real profit. Here we have it. Do we have a completed column? Yes, we have. What do we need to know? We need to find the cost price and the selling price. Here we have our completed column. We can find the cost price directly because we have a completed cross. So cost price equal 105 times 100 over 12.5, which is equal 840 LE. We need to find the real selling price. How can we find it? We need to fill this space. How can we complete this row? We are going to complete this row using the signs which we have up. What do we have on this empty space? We have plus. So we are going to add the other two numbers in the same row, which are 100 and 12.5. 100 plus 12.5 equals 112.5%. Now we have a completed cross. We can use cross multiplication. Selling price equals 105 times 112.5 over 12.5 equals 945 LE. Page 46. Number 4. A man sold a receiver plate with profit LE 1,800. So this is the profit. If his percentage profit is 22.5%, so this is profit percentage. Find the selling price of this plate. We want to find the selling price. We have here our keyword, which is profit. We are going to solve using name percentage real, cost price, profit selling price, minus plus, and all the time this space will be filled with 100. Now let's check the given. 1,800 should be put under real profit. 22.5 should be put under profit percentage. Now the question mark will be under what? The selling price beside the real. Now, do we have a completed column? Yes, we have. But do we have a completed cross to find the selling price? No, we don't. So we need to complete this row. How? By using the sign which we have up. What do we have on this empty space? We have plus. So we are going to add the other two numbers which we have in the same row to complete this space. 100 plus 22.5 equals 122.5. Now we have a completed cross. Let's find the selling price. SP equal 1,800 times 122.5 over 22.5 equals 9,800 LE. Number 5. A merchant sold a car with loss LE 562.5. So this is loss. So our keyword here is loss. Pay attention. If his percentage loss was 4.5%, so this is loss percentage. Then find the buying price of this car. Buying price means cost price. We want to find the cost price. When we have loss, our form will be name percentage real, but here we have cost price to loss to selling price. The signs will be plus, minus by order. This space will be filled with 100. Now 562.5 should be put under the real loss. 4.5% should be put under the loss percentage. Do we have a completed column? Yes. What do we need to find? The buying price, which is the cost price. So our question mark will be under cost price. Here is our completed column, and here we have our completed cross. We can find the cost price directly. Cost price equals 562.5 times 100 over 4.5 equals 12,500 LE. Page 47, number 6. A merchant buys the pair of pigeons for LE 80.50. So this is the cost price. Buying price is the cost price, and sells it for LE 70. So this is the selling price. Find the loss percentage. Here we have our keyword, which is loss. So we are going to solve using the form name percentage real, but the names will be cost price to loss to selling price, and the signs will be plus, minus, minus. This space will be filled with 100. Now let's check the given. 80.50 should be put under cost price. Here we have it. 70 should be put under selling price. We want to find the loss percentage, so our question mark will be under the loss percentage. Now, do we have a completed column? Yes, we have, but we don't have a complete cross to find the loss percentage. How can I find it? Here I'm going to use the signs which we have up. What do we have on this empty space? We have minus. So we are going to subtract the other two numbers which we have in the same row. 80.50 minus 70. It will be 10.5. Now we have our completed cross. We can find the loss percentage. Loss percentage equal 10.5 times 100 over 80.50 equals 13.04% approximately. Number 7. A man bought a steam bicycle for LE 2,750. So this is the cost price, and spent LE 250 to repair it. So this is extra cost. Find the selling price if his percentage profit is 15%. So the keyword here is profit, and here we have profit percentage. Now our form will be name percentage real, cost price to profit to selling price, the signs minus, minus, plus. All the time this space will be filled with 100. What's given? Here we have cost price, but we still have extra cost. So we cannot fill the cost price here till we calculate the cost price, all of it. Now, this 15% should be put under what? Under the profit percentage. And we need to find what? Selling price. So this is our question mark. Now, let's go to calculate the cost price. Cost price equal 2,750 plus 250 equals 3,000 LE. This 3,000 should be put under the cost price. Now, here we have a completed column, but we don't have a completed cross to find the selling price. So what should we do? How can I find this? We are going to find this number using the sign which we have up and the two numbers which we have in the same row. Here we have plus, we are going to add 100 plus 15, the result will be 115. Now we can find the selling price. Selling price equal 115 times 3,000 over 100, or 3,000 times 115 over 100, which is equal 3,450 LE. Page 47, number 8. A company for selling the electric sets, it shows TV for LE 2,100. So this is selling price. If the percentage of the profit is 12%, here is our keyword, which is profit. And here is the profit percentage, 12. Find the buying price. Buying price means cost price. So our form will be name percentage real, cost price to profit to selling price, minus, minus, plus, and here we have 100. This 2,100 should be put under selling price. 12 should be put under profit percentage. And the question mark should be put under cost price. Now, do we have a completed column? No, we don't. We need to complete this row to find a completed column here. How can I complete this row? How can I fill this space? I'm going to fill this space using the sign which we have up, which is plus. Now, we are going to add the other two numbers which we have in the same row. 100 plus 12 equals 112. Here is our completed column, and this is the completed cross. Let's find the cost price. Cost price equals 2,100 times 100 over 112 equals 1,875 LE. Number 9. A shopkeeper for electric sets sold a refrigerator for LE 3,200. So this is selling price. If the percentage of his profit is 6%, so this is our keyword, profit, and the percentage of the profit is 6%. Find the buying price. Buying price is the cost price. Our form, name, percentage, real, cost price to profit to selling price, minus, plus. Here we have 100. This 3,200 should be put under selling price, and this 6 should be put under profit percentage, and the question mark should be put under cost price. Now, do we have a completed column? No, we don't. We need to complete this row to have a completed column here. We are going to complete this row using the sign which we have up. On the empty space we have plus, so we are going to add the other two numbers which we have in the same row. 100 plus 6 equals 106. Now we have a completed column, and here we have the completed cross, so the cost price equals 3,200 times 100 over 106, approximately equal 3,018.87 LE. Page 48, number 10. A company for electrical appliances displays the TV set for 1,026 pounds. So this is the selling price. If the company sold it with profit percentage is 14%. So this is our keyword, which is profit, and here is the profit percentage. Find the buying price for the TV set. Buying price means cost price. So our form will be name, percentage, real, cost price, profit, selling price, minus, plus, and this space will be filled with 100. 1,026 should be put under selling price. 14% should be put under profit percentage, and our question mark should be put under cost price. Now, do we have a completed column? No, we don't. Can we fill this space? Yes, we can. Using what? Using our sign. What's the sign which we have on this empty space? We have plus. So we are going to add the other two numbers which we have it in the same row. 100 plus 14 equals 114. Here is our completed column, and here is our completed cross. Let's calculate the cost price. Cost price equal 1,026 times 100 over 114 equals 900 pounds. Page 48. Second, calculating the interest or discount. Actually, these two expressions we are dealing with in our daily life. Interest when we deal with bank, discount when we deal with shopping. Now, these are our two key words. When we have interest in our question, our form will be before interest, interest, after interest. The signs will be minus, plus, just like the profit. And when we have discount, our form will be before discount, discount, after discount. The signs will be plus, minus, just like the last. Page 48, number 1. The market price of a TV is LE 2500, so this is before discount. It has been sold after discount for LE 2350, so this is after discount. And here is our keyword, which is discount. Find the discount percentage. We want to find the discount percentage. Now, when we have the keyword discount, our form will be name, percentage, real, and the names will be before discount, discount, after discount. What about the signs? The signs will be plus, minus, minus by order. And what about this space there? This space will be filled with 100. So all the time, the before discount percentage will be 100. Now, 2500 should be put under before discount. 2350 should be put under after discount. Our question mark should be put under discount percentage. Do we have a completed column? Yes, we have. But do we have a completed cross? No, we don't. We need to fill this space so we can find the discount percentage using cross multiplication. How can I fill this space? I'm going to check the sign. What's the sign which we have on this empty space? We have minus. So we are going to subtract. Subtract what? The other two numbers which we have in the same row. 2500 minus 2350. The result will be 150. Now we have completed column, and here is our completed cross. We can find the discount percentage. Discount percentage equal 150 times 100 over 2500 equals 6%. Page 49. Number 2. A lady paid LE 255 on buying a white dress after 15% discount from the market price. Find the cost of the dress before the discount. We want to find the price before the discount, so here we have the price after discount, and this 15% represents the discount percentage. And this is our keyword, which is discount. Our form will be name, percentage, real. The names before discount, discount, after discount. The signs plus, minus, minus by order. This space should be filled with 100. Now, 255 should be put under after discount. 15% should be put under discount percentage. Our question mark should be put under before discount. Now, do we have a completed column to start solving? No, we don't. Can we fill this space to have a completed column here? Yes, we can, using the sign which we have on the empty space. What's the sign which we have here? We have minus. We are going to subtract the other two numbers which we have in the same row. 100 minus 15 equals 85. Now we have a completed column, and here is our completed cross. Let's find what we need. Before discount equals 255 times 100 over 85 equals 300 LE. Number 3. Basim bought a car from a shop for LE 34,000 and paid the whole price in cash. So the shop gave him a discount 15% of its price. What's the price of the car after discount? We need to find the price of the car after discount. So here we have the before discount price, and we have 15% the discount percentage, and here is our keyword. Our form will be name, percentage, real, before discount, discount, after discount, the signs plus, minus, minus. All the time this space should be filled with 100. 34,000 should be put under before discount. 15% should be put under discount percentage. Our question mark should be put under after discount. Do we have a completed column? Yes, we have, but we don't have a completed cross to start solving. So, how can we fill this space? We are going to fill it or complete it using the sign which we have up. What do we have up? We have minus. We are going to subtract the other two numbers which we have in the same row. 100 minus 15 equals 85. Here is our completed cross. Now, after discount equal 85 times 34,000 over 100 equals 28,900 LE. We still in page 49. Number 4. Ahmed deposit LE 9,000 in a bank. The percentage of interest is 11% per year. What's the amount of the sum after 1 year? So this 9,000 is before interest and the percentage of interest is 11%. So our keyword here is interest and this is the interest percentage. Now our form will be name, percentage, real. The names before interest, interest after interest. The signs minus, minus, plus by order. And years, all the time this space will be filled with 100. Now 9,000 should be put under before interest. 11 should be put under interest percentage. Our question mark should be put under after interest. Now, do we have a completed column? Yes, we have, but we don't have a completed cross. So, how can I fill this space? Checking the sign. What's the sign which we have on the empty space? We have plus. So, we are going to add the other two numbers which we have in the same row. 100 plus 11 equals 111. Here is our completed cross. Now, after interest equals 9,000 times 111 over 100 equals 9,990 LE. Number 5. Mana deposit LE 8,000 in a bank. So this is before interest. The percentage of benefit is 10% per year. So the word benefit here is just like the interest. Here is the interest percentage which is 10%. What's the amount of the sum after 1 year? So to know the amount of the sum after interest, we are going to use our form name, percentage, real, before interest, interest, after interest, minus, minus, plus, this space will be filled with 100. 8,000 should be put under before interest. 10% should be put under interest percentage. Now our question mark should be put under after interest. We have a completed column, but we don't have a completed cross. How can we fill this space? We are going to fill it using the sign which we have on it. We have plus. We are going to add the other two numbers which are in the same row. 100 plus 10 equals 110. Here is our completed cross. Now, after interest equal 8,000 times 110 over 100 equals 8,800 LE.